Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you, and welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Second video we're dropping today. We're still bursting with pride and joy following that historic draw earlier today. The Jamaica Reggae Girlz nil, Brazil nil. That draw ensured that the Reggae Girlz booked a spot in the second round. The knockout stage is the round of 16. Huge accomplishments. Words cannot surmise just how big of a deal it is. It is the biggest accomplishment that I can think of in Jamaica's football, men's football, women's football, youth football. It not really matter what kind of football. Seeing the Reggae Girlz did so by keeping a clean sheet in all three of their group games. Two of the games came against two top 10 women's teams in the world, France and Brazil. France being number 5th ranked, Brazil being number 8th ranked, seen, and also against Panama as well. The Reggae Girlz right now, as things stand in the tournament, are one of only 3 teams in the entire tournament, one of only 3 teams in the entire 32-team tournament that has not conceded a goal to date. Ladies and gentlemen, a big reason for that is these 2 young ladies you see on your screen. The Swaby sisters. Allyson Swaby, the older sister, and Chantelle Swaby, the younger sister. They are, or they have been, the center back pairing for the Reggae Girlz throughout the entirety of this tournament and even through the World Cup qualifiers as well, and through a number of friendlies as well, right? The sister towers is what I refer to these 2 young ladies as, aka the Swaby Towers, Big Swaby and Lil Swaby. Big Swaby and Little Swaby. Ladies and gentlemen, these 2 young ladies have had a fantastic World Cup, right? Especially Allyson. Both ladies have been very good, but especially Allyson. I mean, if I were to pick between the two, which one was better, me that give to Allyson, I think Allyson has just been otherworldly. Yes, Chantelle has been brilliant as well. Seeing the 2 young ladies have been fantastic. In today's game, they played a huge role in the Reggae Girlz keeping a clean sheet to get that draw. A huge role. From a defensive standpoint, ladies and gentlemen, these 2 ladies have been literally 2 rocks of Gibraltar in the back line for the Reggae Girlz. People, nothing. When we say nothing can go around the people, I kid you not, nothing can go around the people. Everything will go around the dead. 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 That is how amazing these 2 girls have been. Seen in every aspect of defensive play you can think of. 1v1 tackling, marking, tracking, covering, aerial duels, organizing, communicating, working together in unison. The understanding between these 2 young ladies at the center back partnership is key. It is very, very, very important. Especially Allyson in today's game. I know Becky Spencer was the official woman of the match. Becky had a very good game, right? And I hear people saying that she deserved man of the match. Me personally, as good as of a game as Becky had, and I'm a huge Becky fan, I personally would give the woman of the match award or the man of the match award, however you want to put it, to Allyson Swaby. I think Allyson Swaby was the best reggae girl on the park earlier today. If you disagree with that, hit me in the comment section. If you agree, hit me in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Allyson Swaby today, Big Swaby, was that girl. That girl. Ladies and gentlemen, just her body language, her attitude. She was in a no-nonsense mood to the people. Everything will go around there dead like dog. A big thou shalt not sign erected by the Swaby sisters, especially Allyson. A masterclass of a defensive performance from the Swaby sisters. On the ball, these two young ladies are very capable as well. Very capable on the ball as well. Two ball-playing center backs in every sense of the word. We saw especially in the second half today where the Reggae Girlz were trying to get a little bit more possession in the second half to, keep the ball for a bit more, for a bit longer, get some attacks going to help to break up the rhythm and the flow of the Brazilians rather than having wave after wave after wave come at them. Allyson Swaby was key and instrumental in a number of those plays going forward regarding the Reggae Girlz playing out of the back. Her composure on the ball, her ball carrying ability from the defense into the midfield, right? That midfield breaking pass, that midfield line breaking pass from the defender to the midfielders, to even forwards. Allyson Swaby on the ball and off the ball was supreme today. Both Swaby sisters on and off the ball were very, very good. Chantelle was very, very good. And Big Swaby, Lil Swaby was very, very good. But Big Swaby, man, Big Swaby. I mean, she has had a fantastic tournament. For me, I think she has been our woman of the tournament thus far. She has balled in every game and scored our only goal that gave us a huge 3 points. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sister Towers, aka the Swaby Towers, Big Swaby and Lil Swaby, I had to do a video specially about these two young ladies, ladies and gentlemen. In all three of the games, especially in today's game, these two young ladies were brilliant, especially Big Swaby. Seeing, I have to say a big shout out to the Swaby sisters. A big thank you for their service. They have been immense in this historic World Cup campaign for the Reggae Girlz. Seeing, we wish the Swaby sisters all the best going forward in this tournament. As I said, people, anything else we will get from the Reggae Girlz are just straight brata. Seeing, knock up the like button, subscribe, and share free and easy ways to support the channel. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the performances of the Swaby sisters. Stay safe. Take care. Again, man, we're bursting with pride and joy. National pride. The Reggae Girlz are off to the last 16. Take care, guys.